with Lara. I'm Lara, and today we're going to make peanut butter biscuits. And these biscuits are extra great because they don't have any flour in if you're running a bit low. Before we start, you need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees. That's also 160 fan or gas mark 4. And then line a medium-sized baking sheet with baking parchment. Here's all the ingredients you're going to need.
240 grams of peanut butter, crunchy or smooth, 100 grams of sugar, and 1 egg.
And here's all the equipment.
1 medium mixing bowl, 1 small bowl, 1 wooden spoon, 2 dessert spoons, and a set of scales.
Okay, and we must remember before we start any cooking, we always need to wash our hands. So let's go do that.
Get a good amount of soap and rub it between your hands. Interlace your fingers and rub your hands together, and then go around each finger individually to make sure they're all clean. Clasp your hands together and rub them both ways. Then get soap on the backs of both of your hands and interlace your fingers this way. Check to get between your thumbs and the sides of your hands, as well as around your wrists. Then, take your fingertips and rub them lightly into the palm of your opposite hand. Then, rinse off using some of the movements you've already done. Great!
Now your hands are all clean! Let's get started! Woo! Okay, so to start off, we need to weigh all our ingredients. So I'm going to put this bowl onto the scales and turn them on. And then they should read 0. Then I'm going to measure out 100 grams of caster sugar. Now I am using granulated sugar because I've run out of caster sugar. I couldn't buy any more, but that's fine. There we go. And then I'm going to get 240 grams of peanut butter. Zero your scales. And we want 240 grams. There we go. So that's everything we need weighing, measured out. So I'm just going to put my scales away. And then we need to crack our egg into our small bowl. Tap it lightly on the side and pull apart the crack between it. There we go. And now I'm going to put this egg shell into the bin and we're going to wash our hands again because we always need to wash our hands after we handle eggs. So I'm back, I've washed my hands and now I need to beat my egg and I've forgotten to get my fork, so by some delightful magic it will appear. And there we go! 1 fork. And then I'm just going to lightly beat our egg up so it's all one colour pretty much. There we go. Doesn't need to be perfect, just needs to be mixed. And then we're going to add that to this bowl. Lovely, lovely. Then we're going to mix it up. Okay. And your mixture, once it's fully mixed together, it should get quite dense. It might be a little thicker than mine because mine is a looser peanut butter, but yeah, we want it to be spoonable. And that's our mixture to make our delicious biscuits. I'm just going to clear some stuff away and then we're going to get to portioning out our biscuits. When it comes to getting our biscuits shaped for the tray, we want to take a nice, good dessert spoonful of your mix, and then you want to take that and roll it between your hands. It might be a little bit sticky, but that's fine. And if it is a bit sticky and you have some flour, you can flour your hands so it doesn't stick to your hands so much. But I think I will. And you want them to be kind of ping pong ball sized shapes. Right, I'm going to put this into the washing up, wash my hands, and then we'll finish them off. And again, I magically need a fork. Ta-da! So, with our fork, we're just going to gently press one way and then the other way to make a little crisscross pattern. And do this quite gently and lift off gently because you don't want to squash them too much and you don't want to lift them off the baking sheet. So these are ready to go into our oven now for 8 to 10 minutes. So mine have been for 10 minutes and I've just taken them out of the oven. Remember, whenever you're using an oven, to use some great oven mitts, and also, if you need any help, that's absolutely fine. Now, I don't want to take these immediately off the tray and onto my cooling rack because they need to firm up a little bit as they cool. If I try to take them off now, they're going to be a mushy old mess. So we're just going to put them on a heat-proof mat and let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes before we put them onto the cooling rack to finish. And once your cookies are all nice and cool, you can enjoy them. Delicious.